Plant family, 39 genera and Saxifragaceae. A deep dive into the Saxifragaceae plant family. As an avid gardener and plant enthusiast, I've always been fascinated by the sheer diversity of the plant kingdom. One particular family that has captured my attention is the Saxifragaceae, or the saxifrage family. This remarkable group of plants boasts an incredible range of forms, from delicate alpine flowers to towering shrubs, and they thrive in a variety of habitats across the globe. Join me as I explore the wonders of this captivating plant family. The Saxifrage family, a diverse and resilient group. The Saxifragaceae family comprises more 30 genera and over 600 species, making it a relatively large and diverse group. They are primarily found in the temperate and Arctic regions of the Northern Hemisphere, but some species have also ventured into the Southern Hemisphere, particularly in the Andes Mountains. The family is known for its ability to thrive in challenging environments, including rocky outcrops, alpine meadows, and even on cliff faces. This resilience and adaptability is a testament to the remarkable evolutionary success of these plants. The saxifrage family boasts a wide array of genera, each with its own unique characteristics and charm. Saxifraga, the genus Saxifraga, or saxifrage, is the largest and most diverse in the family, with over 400 species. These plants are known for their beautiful, often star-shaped flowers and their ability to thrive in rocky, alpine environments. Some popular species include Saxifraga paniculata, alpine saxifrage, and Saxifraga stolonifera, strawberry begonia. 565 species in genus Saxifraga. Heuchera. The genus Heuchera, or coral bells, is prized for its stunning foliage, which comes in a wide variety of colors and textures. These plants are native to North America and are popular additions to shade gardens. Some popular species include Heuchera sanguinea, coral bells, and Heuchera micrantha, alumroot. 186 colorful Heuchera varieties and where to buy them. Bergenia. The genus Bergenia, or elephant's ears, is known for its large, leathery leaves and its clusters of pink or white flowers. These plants are native to Asia and are often used as ground cover in shady areas. 10 species in genus Bergenia. Astilbe. The genus Astilbe, or false spirea, is beloved for its feathery plumes of flowers, which come in shades of pink, red, white, and purple. These plants are native to Asia and North America and prefer moist, shady conditions. 30 species in genus Astilbe. Tiarella. The genus Tiarella, or foamflower, is characterized by its delicate, maple-like leaves and its airy spikes of white or pink flowers. These plants are native to North America and are ideal for woodland gardens. 7 species in genus Tiarella. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Saxifragaceae, beauty and resilience. The Saxifragaceae family is a treasure trove of botanical wonders, offering a diverse range of forms, colors, and textures. These plants are not only beautiful but also incredibly resilient, thriving in some of the most challenging environments on Earth. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a budding plant enthusiast, exploring the Saxifragaceae family is sure to be a rewarding and enriching experience. From the delicate alpine flowers of Saxifraga to the bold foliage of Heuchera, there's a Saxifragaceae plant to suit every taste and garden style. So, next time you're looking to add some unique and resilient plants to your collection, consider venturing into the captivating world of the saxifrage family. You won't be disappointed.